Are you in the market for a new house, but not sure where to start? Buying a house is a big decision, and it can be overwhelming to know where to begin. In this video, we will cover the top things to consider before making your big purchase. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to upgrade to a larger home, this video is for you. We'll give you all the tips and tricks you need to make the right decision when it comes to purchasing your dream home. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started on your house hunting journey. Before you start your house hunt, it's important to determine your budget. Knowing your budget will help you narrow down your search and ensure that you don't fall in love with a house that's outside of your price range. There are a variety of mortgage types available, each with its own pros and cons. Choosing the right mortgage for your situation can save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. It's important to do your research and speak with a financial advisor or mortgage lender to determine the best option for you. In addition to the mortgage payment, there are other financial considerations to keep in mind. Closing costs can add up quickly and can include fees such as appraisal, title search, and attorney fees. Property taxes and homeowners insurance should also be factored into your budget. While it may be tempting to stretch your budget to buy your dream home, it's important to consider all of these financial factors and make a realistic budget that you can afford. By doing so, you'll be setting yourself up for success and a happy future in your new home. When it comes to buying a house, the location is everything. Even the most beautiful house won't feel like a home if it's not in the right location. When considering location, it's important to think about the neighborhood. Research the area and find out about the crime rate, proximity to amenities such as grocery stores and parks, and the overall feel of the neighborhood. You'll want to choose a neighborhood that aligns with your lifestyle and values. Accessibility is also an important factor to consider. How easy is it to get to work, school, or other important destinations? Is there public transportation available? Think about the commute and the impact it will have on your daily life. For families with children, the school district is a key consideration. Make sure you research the schools in the area and choose a district that meets your family's educational needs. Zoning laws can also impact your decision. Are there any upcoming developments in the area that could affect your property value or quality of life? Research the local zoning laws to make sure the area is zoned in a way that aligns with your preferences. Lastly, think about the long-term investment potential of the location. Are there any future development plans in the area that could increase the value of the property? Consider working with a real estate agent who has knowledge of the area and can provide insight into future development plans. By carefully considering the location of your potential new home, you can ensure that it's not just a beautiful house, but also a great place to live. When it comes to buying a house, size matters. It's important to consider both your current needs and your future plans when choosing the size of your new home. Think about the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you'll need, as well as the size of the common areas such as the living room, kitchen, and dining room. If you're planning to start a family or have children who will be moving out soon, you'll want to choose a house that can accommodate those changes. In addition to the size of the house, it's important to consider the amenities that come with it. Outdoor space is a great feature to have, especially if you enjoy spending time outside or have pets. Think about the size and condition of the backyard, patio, or balcony. Parking is another important amenity to consider. If you have multiple cars or plan on having guests over frequently, you'll want to make sure there is enough parking available. Finally, storage is an important consideration. Make sure there is enough closet space, and consider the size and condition of the basement or attic if the house has one. By considering both the size of the house and the amenities it offers, you can ensure that your new home meets your needs and makes you happy for years to come. Before making an offer on a house, it's crucial to get a home inspection. A home inspection can uncover any potential issues with the house, such as structural problems or water damage. By getting a thorough inspection, you can make an informed decision about whether or not to move forward with the purchase, and you can negotiate repairs or a lower price if necessary. Resale value is another important consideration when buying a house. While you may plan to stay in your new home for a long time, it's always a good idea to think about the potential resale value of the property. Factors that can affect resale value include the condition of the house, its location, and the amenities it offers. If the house is in poor condition or needs significant repairs, it may be more difficult to sell in the future. Location is also a key factor in resale value. A house in a desirable neighborhood or near popular amenities such as parks and restaurants will likely have a higher resale value than a similar house in a less desirable area. Lastly, consider the amenities that the house offers. Features like a pool or a large backyard can increase the resale value, while outdated features like old appliances or small bathrooms can decrease it. By carefully considering these factors, you can make a smart investment in your new home that will pay off in the long run. In summary, getting a home inspection and considering resale value are important steps to take before making your big purchase. By doing your due diligence, you can ensure that your new home is a smart investment that will provide you with a comfortable and enjoyable living space for years to come. When choosing a house, it's important to consider your lifestyle and future plans. Think about factors such as your daily commute, proximity to family and friends, and any future plans you have for the house. For example, if you have a long commute to work, you may want to look for a house that's located near public transportation or major highways. If you have kids or are planning to start a family, you may want to choose a house in a family-friendly neighborhood with good schools. Proximity to family and friends is another important consideration. If you have family members or close friends nearby, you may want to choose a house that's located near them. On the other hand, if you prefer privacy and a more secluded lifestyle, you may want to choose a house that's located in a more rural area. Finally, think about your future plans for the house. Are you planning to renovate or expand in the future? If so, you'll want to choose a house with a layout and size that can accommodate your future plans. If you're planning to stay in the house long term, you may also want to consider factors such as the potential for future growth in the area and the resale value of the property. By considering these factors, you can choose a house that fits your lifestyle and future plans, and that will provide you with a comfortable and enjoyable living space for years to come. House hunting can be an exciting but overwhelming process. We hope that this video has helped you to understand the top things to consider before making your big purchase. To summarize, we've covered financial considerations, location, size and amenities, inspection and resale value, and your lifestyle and future plans. Remember to take your time when house hunting and to consider all factors before making a purchase. Don't rush into a decision, and don't be afraid to ask for help from a trusted real estate agent or financial advisor. Buying a house is a big investment, but with careful planning and consideration, you can find the perfect home that fits your needs and your budget. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a comment with your own house hunting tips, or subscribing to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy house hunting!